A dropped phone can feel like a disaster. For a month, George lived with a broken camera on his Google Pixel 8 Pro after an accident. He finally took it to David at the Sydney CBD Repair Centre, where the entire camera module was replaced. We caught up with him right after to see his reaction. Let's watch how happy he is.
So what's one thing you'll never take for granted again?
The magic of having a working camera. 1 minute it's a brick, the next, thanks to the guys at Sydney CBD.
You had a phone disaster. Tell us what happened and how you fixed it.
Yeah, I came in with a broken camera, totally useless, but David at Sydney CBD Repair Centre was great.
So it's safe to say you're happy with the result?
Happy? Mate, I'm ecstatic. Back in business. Cheers, David.
If you have mobile phones issue, you can walk in. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. 6 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. 2 p.m.